P&S Double Black Diamond Express Interior Cleaner cleans, removes dirt, grease, oil, and other common spills and substances that accumulate in your car's interior over time through normal use. Simply spray on, allow to dwell, and then wipe off using a water-dampened clean towel, and the surface is now perfectly clean. After wipe off, Xpress Interior Cleaner dries to a natural look and feel with no offensive chemical odors as it's scent-free. Next, apply P&S Shape Up Interior Dressing. Spray onto a foam or microfiber applicator pad and then work into and over the surface. Use a clean microfiber towel to wipe off any excess. Shape Up Interior Dressing can be used on leather, vinyl, and rubber surfaces on the inside and outside of your car. Shape Up Interior provides excellent protection with a fresh lemon scent. As the owner, you spend a lot of time on the inside of your car. Enjoy the ride. Keep the inside of your car clean with P&S Double Black Diamond Express Interior Cleaner and Shape Up Interior Dressing. For more information, visit Autogeek.com.